For beating the FU Tamaraws 92 to 80, the Drawing Tigers are now tied with the NU Bulldogs at 5-1. We have assistant coach CJ Balingit, Kyle Paranada, and Nick Caballero. Coach CJ, congratulations for this victory. So you pulled away in the fourth quarter. So anong masasabi mo sa pinakita ng team? Lalo FU nangangailangan ng panalo.
Yes, una-una, yung FEU is a very tough team. At not until that Jello Christmas ako back-to-back threes, it's a 50-50 ball game. Doon lang kami nagkaroon ng momentum na to pull away, pero all throughout the game, lalaman kami, habol sila. Then, yun lang, palitan lang ng palitan ng stops and shoots.
Thank you to Kyle. 19 points for assists, 2 rebounds, 1 steal, and +7. So yun na, FEU were in the game, was in the game the first 3 quarters, then you pulled away in the fourth. So what can you say about your team's effort para to extend your winning streak?
I think it was a team effort for everyone, for me and my teammates. And you know, this game, we just came back from a triple overtime game, so the coaches kept saying it's going to be a tough game no matter how many losses they got and how many wins we got, you know. So we just kept playing hard and to the end, and that's the result.
Thank you to Nick. 40 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists, and 4 steals, and +23. Yun nga, galing nga kayo from a triple overtime win against Ateneo, and then syempre shorter turnaround from this one. So, ano yung mindset ng team after that loss, after that win, by the way, and then yun na, ito, napalaban kayo sa FEU before pulling away the court.
With that win we had last game against Ateneo, it really boosts us, even though it's like a tiring game. But despite that, yun nga, we had a sloppy start earlier. So hindi namin inisip na pagod kami lagi, ganyan, or galing kami sa third overtime last game. But the coaches are helping us, motivating us to push our limit. Ginawa na talaga namin, and it's all about team effort as well.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Nick, yung fourth quarter, parang doon talaga nag-iba iihip ng hangin besides yung mga tira ni Jello. Ano lang yung napag-usapan siguro nung bago mag-start yung fourth quarter and siguro yung dalawang timeouts din.
Si Coach Wido, inintusan na talaga ako to be the decoy. I know that KP and Jello had a great game. Binigay ko lang talaga sa kanila na to boost their confidence. And naniwala din kasi ako sa kanila din, even not only to them but to all my teammates. And andyan lagi yung mga teammates ko na even we're struggling nga from what I've said earlier na nagsastruggle kami una, but it doesn't back us down. It's not about the physicality, it's all about mentals na rin. Kaya mataas pa rin yung respect namin against them.
Kyle, 5 players, double-digit scoring, you leading the way. Just how happy are you that even though Collins was pretty much played well defensively by Moko Nate, it's not just him, it's not just Nick, it's you, it's everyone else. It's not just a one-man team, two-man team, it's total team effort. Just how happy are you with what the team showed today?
I'm happy that everyone on our team could score basically, so that's how deep our team is. You don't know what, like the next game, you don't know who's going to get third again or who's going to score the most. That's how good our team is. So we got a good team, good deep team, so everyone's ready to play. Yeah.
Kyle, for you kind of struggled to find your offensive groove in the first game of the season, but how happy are you that slowly but surely you are starting to find your groove to back up Nick and Ford for UST?
Of course, I'm happy to score and help my team win. Yeah, they're going to need all the help they need because they're getting scouted every game, so I'm going to release some stress off their back by scoring, playmaking for them. So, yeah.
But are you satisfied with this performance, or do you still seek some room for improvement as growth at the end of the first round?
I missed one shot, so I'm kind of satisfied.
Nick, for you, this is UST's best start since 2015, 5-1. Gaano ka happy ka na lang sa pinapakita ng team so far, and ano pa sa tingin niyo yung kailangan niyo improve para ma-maintain niyo yung ganitong positioning sa standings?
Of course we're happy right now, but in the future din kasi, we just gonna take it one game at a time. And alam namin na malaki yung goal namin for this season. But it doesn't stop us. Kailangan tuloy pa rin kami every game. We need to work for it. Hindi po sa ibibigay sa amin yung panalo. Kaya paghirapan muna namin. But yun nga, this is, anong sinabi mo? 5-1?
5-1, best start since
Best start
2015.
since 2015. Hindi kami nag-matter sa ganun. Ay iniisip lang talaga namin na manalo. And ayun, for us to improve pa, I think we should improve din yung free throws namin tsaka yung defense namin. Kasi sa FEU din kasi John Ray and Moko Nate had 22 and 19 points. So I think we should do better on that aspect.
Well, you guys talked about the triple overtime game over the weekend. Can you just talk about the recovery getting into this game? Because of course you only have around
3 days.
2-3 days before getting into this game.
It was a Saturday,
Yeah,
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
We just rest Sunday.
Yeah, we rested Sunday, and then we had a chill to Monday, Tuesday practice. So we had some IV drip. So that was our recovery. Just light practice and IV drip.
Was that point of concern heading into this game that FEU would be a bit hungry these days?
Yeah, that was our coach. All of our coaches were saying that they're hungry. So stay composed and focused throughout the game and keep playing hard.
Nick, nabanggit na kanina yung offensa will always revolve around you for Ski Collins. But gano'n ka na lang natutuwa na ang daming pwedeng options para mag-step up for UST, and ito today si Kyle yung nag-step up para sa inyo. Gano'n ka na natutuwa?
Sobrang tutuwa ako kasi I'm just doing my role earlier. Nakafocus talaga ako sa depensa eh. Hanap talaga ako way na kung anong pwede kong matulong sa team. And yun, for Wesco Bell as well, maganda yung laro niya and efficient yung nagawa niya into dyan.
Last one na lang, coach, on behalf of the team. Your last game to end this rigorous weekend, to end round 1 against a team na nasisilat kayo ng pre-season against Adamson. So just your initial thoughts on facing that team with the kind of team you have now.
First things first, we have to recover well. We have to face Adamson 100% focus because alam natin yun, hindi madaling kalaban yun. Anytime, kaya nilang manalo. So yun lang, kami naman, we have to keep this momentum going and we have to keep momentum going to the second round.
Congratulations, Coach CJ, Kyle, and Nick. Thank you.
Thank you.